Good morning and welcome to Bang Bang Trading. Today we're going to talk about setting up Tradeovate for the first time. And we're going to set it up according to the way we trade here at Bang Bang Trading. Okay? When you go to the Tradeovate platform and you open up an account, you're going to want to download their desktop app. They have it for the MacBook and Apple, or the MacBook and Microsoft. So make sure you download the actual app that gives you the desktop icon. If you're in Tradeovate and you don't have the desktop icon and you have your web browser up here, you have not gotten into the actual platform. When you open up the platform for the very first time on Tradeovate, it's going to look similar to this. Okay, you're going to have two charts. You may not be able to see your price action at all, and you're not going to have these two. You're going to have something similar. So what I want you to look at is the little X button right here. There's an X button right here and an X button right here. You're going to want to go ahead and delete all of those. So delete. It's going to say closing this module will remove it from your workspace. Okay. We're going to click delete again. Okay. And we're going to click delete again. Okay. All right. Now we got that done. All right. The very next thing, your chart may look like this and you can't see the price action. That's okay. Don't worry. Just hover your mouse over the price and scroll your scroll ball bar up. And it'll start opening itself up just like that. Okay, if your chart can't move around freely like this, just come up here to the chart settings tab, click on it, go to continuous auto fit, make sure it's checked to off, then you should be able to freely move your bar around or your chart around. Okay, so the next thing we're going to add to our charts. Here at Bang Bang Trading, we teach pure price action. Indicators are lagging indicators, okay? All indicators follow behind price action. So you're focusing on the past, not what's happening in the future or at the moment, okay? So we teach how to trade reading pure price action, and we don't really rely too much on indicators. However, there are a few we will teach you that will be a complement to reading price action. There are two moving averages, the 20 period moving average and the 200 period moving average. And then we use the volume weighted average price, which is called the VWAP. So we will come up here to the indicators tab up here in the top left. We're going to click it. We're going to go to moving averages. We're going to add simple moving average. You're going to take the color here. I'm not sure what the default is. I've already had this set up. I'm just making a video. You're going to click the color to red. Put the thickness however you want. I prefer the thicker bar. And your first simple moving average, you're going to make a 200 period. So type in 200 and click save. And there you go. Now you have a 20 period moving average on your chart. We're going to go back into the indicators tab. We're going to select simple moving average again. Now we're going to change the color to green. Put the thickness however you like. And then change the 200 to the 20 period moving average. And click save. The last and final indicator we're going to use on our actual chart is going to be the VWAP. When you come into indicators, you're in the moving averages tab only, so select that back button, hit the search button, and just search for VW. There it is, VWAP. We're going to make the VWAP green. We're going to click on that green button. We're going to make the thickness however you like it. I prefer the thicker the better. And we're going to hit save, and that's not right. So let's go into our configure chart elements. Let's click on that VWAP and let's make it yellow. Okay, VWAP is yellow. This is how we teach here at Bang Bang Trading. VWAP is yellow. Now let's hit save, and there we go. Okay, so now we have the 20 period moving average. Excuse me. Now we have the 20 period moving average. We have the volume weighted average price, which is yellow. And we have the 200 period moving average. Next thing we're going to set up on our charts is the relative strength index. So let's come into the indicators tab and type in RSI. And there it is, relative strength index. Now, the relative strength index, we teach you how to use it correctly. Okay? Many people believe if it's overbought, you buy or you sell, and if it's oversold, you buy. While that is partially true, that's not how you correctly use the relative strength index. Okay? If you're new to YouTube here and you just came across our channel, join us on Discord. Right now, we're teaching our program and our strategy for free. We're in the works of putting together a 30-day boot camp to help traders become professional, consistently profitable traders. But if you want to get in for free, now is the time when we're in the infancy stage. And the growing stage. So things are a little weird right now. You know, we have a lot of things to iron out, hash out. But you're more than welcome to join us, get in on the ground floor. We're a great community of traders. And you're going to be able to learn for free, 100% free right now. All right, so we have the relative strength index. The middle line, I want to make it white. Okay, it is white here. Again, we already had this. So your colors may be a little different, but change that middle line to white. Change the dotted to solid on all three of these. And then change the thickness to whatever thickness you desire. All right, change your overbought to red and change your oversold to green. And then let's click save. And now we have the RSI. Okay, our overbought is now red. Our oversold is now green. And our 50% line is now white. All right, very important you set it up like that. Again, this is what we're teaching here at Bang Bang Trading. And again, you could trade our system across all securities. Crypto, Forex, equities, low floats in the morning. Now we're going to add one more piece of information. Let's go to oscillators, and we're going to add this one right here. Chaikin oscillator. And we're just going to leave the parameters as they are. We're not going to change anything. And there we go. Now we have our charts set up to trade with Bang Bang Trading. Okay, if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments and we will get back to you. All right, it's as simple as that. We're going to add one more thing, but it has nothing to do with trading. It's just so we could see our positions. And if you come up here, top left corner, there's a little plus button. Click on that plus button. And there's a position tab right here. Click it, hold it, drop it down here to the bottom. Now just scrunch everything down here. Now, if you want yours set up the way that I do, actually, we're going to go in here and change a few things. To change your dashboard here, the way that this is set up, click on the little gear icons, select columns, and then you can add or delete. These are the available. These are visible. So you could, just click on it or just drag it over. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so you drag and drop. Yeah, drag and drop. That's all you got to do. If you want to screenshot this to see how mine is set up, feel free to do that. Click save. And now you're done, guys. You're 100% ready to trade with us when we go live in the mornings on Discord. Hope to see you there, guys. Day trading is one of the most lucrative careers you will ever have in your entire life. But it takes dedication and time and patience. I don't care what the gurus out there trying to sell you. They're making money off of you, okay? It's nothing like what they're trying to sell you, these hopes and dreams of overnight riches. All right? They're kind of like the snake oil salesmen of the 70s or 60s or 50s, right? We can regrow your hair with this magic cream. All right, guys, so don't fall for the junk. Welcome to Bang Bang Trading. Glad you're here. This is what you're looking for in your setup. Once you get all that done, come up here to let's see, template list, and hit save template. All right, I have a couple. Hit save, type in a name for it. Sorry, I don't know why that happened. Save template. Hit save, and now you have it in there. Okay, so now when you close out your platform, you come back in. Everything should be good to go. All right, guys. Again, link is in the comments here for Discord. Join us. Discord. Join us. It's 100% free.